I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Check your OS and make sure you have an administrator account. This prevents permission errors. Pick a short MP4 or MKV clip at 16:9 and keep file size reasonable so playback is smooth. Once done, plug the laptop into power or confirm the battery is above 20% to avoid shutdown during setup. Now open Settings and get to Personalization immediately. That's where lock screen options live and where you'll swap the static image for a video wallpaper. You now navigate to Settings, then Personalization, and select Lock Screen to make the change. Choose Background and pick the video option or the Custom Picture option that allows media. This depends on your OS variant. Browse to your prepared file, select it, and enable playback controls like play and loop when available. This ensures the clip repeats. Make sure the preview shows motion. If it's static, try a different file or check format compatibility. These steps set the core behavior of your lock screen video. Apply your changes, then lock the screen or press Win+L to test playback immediately. Observe audio and video behavior. If the clip is too long, trim it so it starts quickly and doesn't interfere with sign-in. Also adjust timeout and display brightness to ensure the video is visible on wake. If nothing plays, convert the file to MP4 using H.264 codec or update your graphics drivers. This resolves most compatibility problems. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.